Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best soldering irons that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Yihua 948 ESD soldering iron. This is a dual-purpose soldering and desoldering tool. You don't have to buy a soldering iron and desoldering gun separately. Yihua has them combined for you on one device, at a wallet-friendly price. Yihua also provides a temperature control function for both of these tools. It is the same temperature control function that identifies the type of handle, soldering or desordering, installed to stimulate the right temperature. Also, although the device only comes with 4 desoldering gun nozzle replacements, its compatible soldering iron mouths are easily available and cost-effective from other sellers. It also has an automatic sleep and shutdown features, a digital temperature correction feature, and the following more. Moving on at number 4, we have the HANMATEK Digital Display Soldering Iron Station. At an affordable price, the HANMATEK brings you one of the fastest heating technologies and a PSD, magical temperature compensation technology. It says powered from a wall plug, meaning it's not cordless. The 60-watt station also conserves power but heats to the melting point, 392 degrees Fahrenheit. So fast, within 6 seconds. That sounds dangerous, but it's PSD approved. The temperature is highly adjustable. I also fell for HANMATEK for the number of free soldering iron tips it comes with, 5. The handle is also adequately insulated to alleviate any shock or form of injury. Here are even more features. At number 3, we have the Vastar soldering iron. One of the most basically designed, yet highly functional soldering irons is here. It has a temperature adjusting knob, too. Fastar is also one of the most cost-effective on this list. It uses an internal thermal ceramic element to heat the iron. Vastar is also one of those soldering irons that will live a lifetime, according to customer feedback. Vastar soldering iron is also easy to operate and saves your space. It comes with a built-in welded slit for keeping the pen as well as the cleaning sponge while not in use. Happily, you can now operate for long hours, given that this iron isn't fatiguing with its lightweight. Here are more features. At number 2, we have the Weller BL 60 megapixels cordless soldering iron. If you need a cordless soldering iron, here it is. The Weller BL 60 megapixels uses a powerful lithium-ion battery to provide power for the heating. This means that you can use it on the go, or when there's a power outage, home or away. It can last for 45 minutes, continuously soldering on a single charge. Also, the iron heats up so fast to save on your waiting time. It is recommended that you use this one on radio-controlled devices, jewelry, small appliances, and audio systems, among other light-duty applications. Apart from the rechargeable battery, the Weller BL 60 MP can also use mains electricity for power. Take a look at even more features here. And finally at number 1, we have the Weller W1010 NA Digital Soldering Station. This is yet another one from the mother soldering company, Weller. Sometimes, the company can also play a role in quality, and here it happens. Weller W1010 NA has got a lot of cutting-edge features, including a highly adjustable temperature control knob. Its wattage is 70 W, and that hints you about how fast and effective it is. It's 40% more potent than its predecessors. The pencil is lightweight, and the grip is excellent for precision performance. The tips can be exchanged without a tool. And, there's a vast range of tips that are compatible with this soldering station. The soldering station is also certified both by the UL and CE. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.